Chesava. Good morning everyone, this is V. Suresh from Mechanical Engineering. I am here to conduct an interview about celebrity on employability skills. For every student, there is a person who guides the student in career building, that is only a teacher. So I choose to interview a teacher. Teacher is Mr. Vaikuntra sir, who has worked as professor in GMRIT, Rajam. Hello sir, how are you?
Fine. Very good morning.
Thank you sir, very good morning. So, how was your teaching life?
Fine. It's going on. So I have started my career as 15 years back. So still it is okay. So it is. I'm satisfied with my career.
What is the impact on students in this corona pandemic?
So it is entirely time schedules. So here the main thing is, so it has given a wide variety of options of learning resources. So until we don't know, before the corona, we don't know the online mode classes. So now we will be addicted, or we will be habituated to online classes. So it is initially it is very difficult to accommodate or to adjust the new changes, but so it has given a wide variety of options of learning resources. So online mode is one mode of learning resources. So at present there is a large enormous growth or enormous teaching resources or learning resources are available in the internet sources.
So many students are not aware this online education also.
Yes. So it is a opportunity. So each and everything we need to see the opportunity rather than trouble or rather than difficulty. So we see the we have to see the opportunity. So it has an opportunity. So but it requires certain tools. So we have to learn, or we have to know the corresponding resources or corresponding teaching aids or learning aids. So that is the thing, that is the only difficulty.
Okay, sir, let's talk about your personal life. Where are you from?
So actually I did my schooling in Srikakulam RCM St. John's. So after that I have completed my BTech JNTUK, so System College, so which is affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad. So after that I did my MTech in Anna University. So and in the recently 2019 I have completed my PhD, doctorate in philosophy. So in Getam Institute of Technology. So that is in the industrial engineering.
Okay. What is your goal in your college life?
So goal, there is no specific thing. So each and every day we need to update. So we need to there is no end point for the learning. Okay, so it is a continuous process until we have life. So we have to continue we have to continue the learning process.
There is no goal.
There is no specific goal. So there is no specific goal, but so I never stopped learning of anything. So whether it may be a teaching related or whether it may be anything. So any new thing. So I'm very much interested to learn new things. It may be of either it may be of devotional, or it may be of agricultural, or it may be of academic, any kind of thing. So if there is anything so new, so definitely I'm trying to learn the new things.
So where did you got best teacher?
So here, as in the previous college, Shivaramakrishna College of Engineering, I worked for 2 years. So it is it has given a very good opportunity. So I worked as a vice principal in that college. So approximately around 300 students I have to monitor. So it has given a good opportunity for the different categories, either in administration and teaching. I have involved in each and every aspect, so including academics, so and administration levels. So I have involved in the each and every installation of the labs. All the each and every category I have involved throughout the process in the teaching career.
Where was it located?
So it is exactly near to Palasa. It is affiliated to Andhra University.
Andhra University. Yes. What are your hobbies?
Hobbies, I would like to generally whenever I'll get a free time, I use it to play. So, but today these days I'm unable to spend time. So because of various reasons. So I like to play almost all games, shuttle and cricket. So whatever, I like to play almost all the outdoor games.
Do you like to read articles?
So moreover, I haven't articles very less. I'm not.
Is there any article you read? Did you read?
No. So moreover, these days I am completely focusing on related to Vedas. So I choose to learn certain things in what is Vedas and what are the things that are incorporated in the Vedas. So how it is meant for the human life. I'm slightly focusing these days. I'm focusing on those aspects, those kind of things.
So what are the measures to be taken by the student?
What aspect? What reason?
In career building.
In career building. So whenever we choose to do particular things, so whether it is a teacher or a student, so whatever may be the profession or whatever he may choose, he has to involve in each and every aspect while learning particular thing. So he has to involve throughout in that. So he has to concentrate more on the particular thing and he has to involve in it. So then only he will get a success.
So compared to earlier decades, the teacher-student bonding was so much confused.
Okay. So a small thing I would like to tell here. So in the previous past years, while we were the students. So at that time we face we are not comfortable to mingle with the faculty. So we are very afraid of interacting with the teachers. So nowadays it is not like that. So teachers are not that much rigid. So they are very comfortable and they are very friendly. So they are they are not that much rigid. So students have a accessibility. So in the previous earlier days, it is not like that.
So from your opinion, students teacher bonding good in these situations from
So earlier days maybe it was good compared to today's period. So as it is my personal opinion. So still I have in contact with my school teachers and college teachers. So I'm almost approximately 60% of the faculty. I'm at present I'm in contact with my teachers. So I'm not that much while during the studies I'm not that much comfortable or I'm not that much close with the faculty, but still at present I'm maintaining I'm very close with the faculty. But compared to nowadays, very rare, very few of them are in contact or they are in touch with the faculty. So after graduation, so it is very difficult to maintain the bonding.
So what is the quotation did you like the most? Cute.
So generally, so the quotation at present I didn't remember, but so Vivekananda quotation, rise, awake and rise. So that is very much apt for the present.
That is a quotation in my college also.
Okay. So always we need to that entirely it gives the concentration, and you need to be more focused on whatever the things that you do. So that is the thing that entire thing involved in it.
Where was your post graduation did?
So I did my post graduation in Anna University, so in mechanical engineering.
PhD?
PhD Getam University. So I did my PhD in 2019. So in Getam University in industrial engineering department.
So how would you manage PhD in?
So it is very
married life?
difficult. It requires family